simple and it's delicious. Let's do this. So I'm gonna start with the chicken. I'm gonna add some spices and fry them. So mostly the most important thing actually is the soya sauce. I'm gonna add some. Then I'm gonna add some salt. It's not a complicated dish, okay guys? Just do it as you can, but do it. That's the most important thing to try. Pepper. And I'm gonna put some ginger in here. So what is my plan actually is that I'm gonna cook separately the chicken, separately the noodles, and separately the vegetables, and at the end put them together. So let's go and try this chicken. So after I mixed the ingredients, my daughter told me, Mom, put some sugar in it because it tastes nicely. So I'm gonna listen to her and put some sugar in it. Do as much as you want. I did put earlier more. So just give it a stir, and in here you just prepare the pan for the chicken. Also in here we have the boiling water for the noodles. When it's boiling, the water is boiling, then you put the salt in. It's something that's a bit tricky. My pan is hot. I'm gonna put some olive oil. It needs to be really hot. And then I'm gonna have I have an eye on the noodles in here. They don't need to boil a lot, only 5 minutes. Then this pot is waiting for the vegetables. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nice and easy. Actually, you can do those noodles without any meat, only vegetables. But I want to do some with meat, breast, chicken breast. Chicken is here. I'm gonna keep checking the pasta. It's boiling, it's fine. And once this pan is hot, I'm gonna bring the vegetables in. So the noodles are ready now to be drained. They boiled. Cold water is running a little bit. Rest, you can put some oil, you can put some soya sauce. So we have lovely chicken in here. I'm gonna now present yourself with the vegetables that I'm gonna use in this pot. Careful, it's very hot. We have here garlic, spring onion, some red peppers. What is this? Carrots and some celeries. I'm gonna put some oil here.
Drench it in oil.
And then I'm gonna gradually bring all the vegetables in here. Give them a good stir. Because they're called Chinese stir fry. You can put them first, the onion and the garlic, but you know, I tend to just to do a quick meal and be quicker. I like the colors in the food, right? All vegetables. Sadly, I don't have a special pan where you cook the noodles, but Lolly said he's gonna buy one. Okay? I'm going to fry a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the condiments. I'm gonna put some oil on top of this pasta. and a bit of soya sauce. They're gonna wait nicely in here, those condiments. So the chicken is ready now. Look how lovely, what color, and it's really tasty and yummy. And it's ready to be mixed with the vegetables and the noodles. So the spice gonna mix nice nicely. And then in a minute. It has some flavors. So we're gonna do a Okay, so we are at the final bit. I'm gonna put the noodles in here. This is a difficult part because we have loads of noodles and loads of vegetables. Sorry guys, this is awesome food. Right, let me bring this. So, we are at the end of the cooking today. The noodles are ready to be attacked by my kids. So let's enjoy. And please like and subscribe to my channel.
Beautiful. Great noodles. 10 out of 10.
You like it?
I like it. Thanks. Super cool.